Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve the exercise of chapter 5 civics class 6th, that's Panchayati Raj in J&K. There are some short answer type questions. Let's recall them. Question number 1. What do you understand by a Panchayati Raj institution? The answer is Panchayati Raj, that's council of five officials, is the system of local self-government of villages in rural India as opposed to urban and suburban municipalities. It consists of Panchayati Raj institutions through which the self-government of villages is realized. Number 2. Write three advantages of Panchayati Raj institutions. The answer is the main advantages or functions of Panchayati Raj institutions are to provide safe, clean drinking water, cleaning and lighting of roads, maintenance of water resources, dispensaries, primary and secondary schools. To promote and develop like minor irrigation schemes, rural electrification, small scale industries and poverty alleviation programs. Now, long answer type questions. Number 1. What are the obligatory functions of panchayats in Jammu and Kashmir? The answer is powers and functions. Number 1. To prepare the plans for the development of the halka. 2. Regulation of markets, buildings, shops, maintenance of slaughterhouses, regulation of sale and preservation of goods, vegetables and other perishable articles and food. Number 3. Regulation of fairs. Number 4. Preparation and implementation of special development plans for alleviating poverty and employment generation through IRDP, NREP, and housing for scheduled caste and backward classes. Number 5. Implementation of scheme of universalization of elementary education and other educational programs. Number 6. The Halka Panchayats shall also perform such other functions and duties as may be assigned or entrusted to it by the government, the District Planning and Development Board, and Block Development Council within the area of which Halka Panchayat is constituted. Question number 2. Compare Panchayati Raj of Jammu and Kashmir with 73rd Amendment of the Constitution of India. The answer is the 73rd Amendment of Constitution of India provided three-tier Panchayati Raj at village, block and district level. Government of India amended Jammu and Kashmir Panchayati Raj Rules 1996 to provide for establishment of elected DDC members in Jammu and Kashmir. The move to have elected three-tier of Panchayati Raj institution marks the implementation of entire 73rd Amendment Act in J&K. The additional district development commissioner shall be the chief executive officer of the DDC members in any district. Reservation for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and women in every constituency of DDC provided. Now question number 3. Panchayati Raj is day by day changing rural life. Discuss. The answer is Panchayati Raj enables the pupil to realize and channelize their energies with a view to bring about social transformation. It gives every member of the society his or her rightful place in the social, economic, and political life of our country. It also enables to oversee and supervise need and requirement based developmental programs of the local area. It creates space for a number of leadership positions, thereby strengthens democracy at grassroots level. It provides reservation to marginalized sections of societies and to women in PRI. Hence, it is gradually changing rural society for better future. Thank you.